Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope so. You all are going great and well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. If you have not liked to subscribe my YouTube channel, please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification from each and every video. So today I'm gonna move on to the side of science so that you may know about that. I'll make almost 15 pointings on science because it's one of the most easiest topic, one of the most learned topics. So I will try to take that on. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, Rabbi Zidni Ilma, oh Allah, increases in knowledge. Today we learn characteristics and life process of organisms. So it's the unit 1 of class 4 book. Okay, and it is for 22. Okay, so unit number 1 is characteristics and life process of organisms. It is very easy topic. What are characteristics? First of all, you should know. Characteristics basically sometimes first I'll tell you they are features, ठीक है, qualities, ठीक है, habits present in someone, characteristics, we say that. Okay, so something that makes an organism or thing different from other, like special features or qualities. Take care, for example, characteristics of living things, non-living things, characteristics of living things, non-living things, characteristics of plants, characteristics of animals, and these are known as characteristics. Okay, now we have characteristics of living things. Like what characteristics do living things have? So basically there's a word bank made Mr. Green, MRSGREN, so they have different meanings, like M for movement, R for respiration, S for sensitivity, G for growth, R for reproduction, excretion, nutrition, and one is missing, that is made up of cells, like it's C1, so it does not has any match, so it just makes the whole word disrupt, so that's why it's not written. But I think the living things also have this characteristic that they are made up of cells. Okay, so basically this is the name Mrs. Green, and M for movement, the thing that help us to move, respiration, the way of taking in the breath and giving it out, sensitivity, the feeling of touch or using the five senses, G for growth, that means being adult from being younger. Reproduction basically means producing new organisms of the same kind. Then we have excretion, that means the way, moving the waste material out of our body. Then we have nutrition. Nutrition basically means eating food or giving energy to the body, and made up of cells means having cells in tissues. You will learn that, and I made a video on that also, like different type of cells in plant cell and animal cell, and you should go and watch that one video also. Okay, so this is basically our the word bank for living things, Mrs. Green. Okay, then we have first of all movement. What is movement? I will tell you. Movement basically living things move for, like first you should know why do living things move. Okay, living things move for food, water, light, and shelter. Now plants have all of these things, so they don't need to move. Okay, they're having the ability of moving, but they don't need to move because they have everything. We humans need that, animals need that, so they have to move for that. Birds also need that, they have to move in search of that thing. Okay, so basically living things, they move for the food that we eat, water that we drink, light to do work or see, and shelter for living and for protecting us from our enemies, okay, and predator. So this is the 4 reasons that living things move. Okay, and living things move on their own. They want no force, but they want their legs. Take a leg is the force that gives them support. Okay, So now let's go to the next one. Okay, now here a question arises that do you know why different group of animals make different types of movement? Yeah, so basically here the question is, do you know why different groups of animals make different types of movement? So basically the thing that is very common among us, because they have different style of moving, they have different way of moving, their lifestyle is different, so that's why they have different way of moving, or it also depends on their predator maybe. If it's a like very stronger one, so they have to move fast and like that sort of things. Basically here you can see there is almost every animal. Take care, ducks, pigeons, monkey, bear, cow, lion, elephant, crows, cats. So basically they all have different way of moving. They have different way of moving, laying, like they have different way of doing everything. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, here first of all you can see that what everyone is doing. Basically here this boy is running. Okay, in the second one you can see the girl is jumping, then the birds are flying, the fish is swimming, and the tortoise is crawling. Like they have a different way of movement, they move differently from each other as due to their food, their predator, and their way of movement. Okay, here you can see a turtle. This is how the turtles are, and this is how they move because of their body structure. Okay, because of their body structure the living, okay, because of their body structure means that living things move like this because of their body structure. Okay, and the place where they live, it depends on the place they live there because of their body structure. Okay, so living things move like this because of their body structure, and the place where they live depends on that. Okay, animals move in different ways to get from one place to another. Okay, they have very different way of movement. Here someone is crawling, jumping, hopping, scraping, swimming, walking, dancing, flying, or yeah, that is it. And there are many other ways of movement, so it depends on the human being. So let's see different types of animals making different types of movement. Take a bear, take a and sparrow, owl, deer, crocodile, frog, monkey, and much more, and human also. So basically fish swims, we all know from the start fish swims. Frogs and kangaroos hop, like from like it's sort of jumping, but basically they just hop means move directly from one place to another place. Okay, and birds they fly, it's also common. Humans crawl, baby humans crawl. ठीक है, humans can even though jump, they can dance, they have different abilities. Then lizards, they run, climb, and cling means cling on the wall. Climb means basically introduce it at ऊंचाई चढ़ना, and run means to move faster. Identify these movements. Lizards run, climb, and cling. Okay, and monkey cling and ripe. Okay, so basically lizards run, climb, and cling. Monkeys cling and leap. Okay, so all living things move. Okay, this one is not. So fish swims. ठीक है, bird fly. ठीक है, frog hops. Frogs and kangaroos hope, and it's yeah, I think I didn't saw that. Hey, yeah, I said hope. Okay, so all living things move. Take care, animals move their whole bodies to get from one place to another. Like they have to move their whole body to move from one place to another. Plants turn towards the light and their roots grow into the soil. Take care when the direction of the plant is not towards the side they move, you to direct to side the sunlight to have the process of reproduction and growth. Then we have plants. ठीक है, leaves and flowers move. ठीक है, like basically plants as a whole remain fixed and do not change their position. ठीक है, because it really don't need that UK. They have their shelter, they have food, water, sunlight, everything is provided to them. Okay, so they don't need to move as a whole. Then we have most of the plants, most of the parts grow. ठीक है, like touch me not. ठीक है, here whenever you touch it, it blinks. Then we have morning glory. It opens when it's morning. At night or evening or afternoon, it's not present. Okay, so the work that you can do is observe the given organisms and identify. Okay, so the given organisms are identified as living or non-living. Justify your answer as well. Like bird is a living as it can breathe, move, reproduce, and needs food to live. It can sense changes in surroundings as well. ठीक है, then we have why do following organism move? It swims, human walks, birds fly, kangaroos hop, frogs jump or swim, lizards run and climb, monkeys cling and leap. Okay, so I hope so like today's lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Science still at Excel for everyone. Allah Hafiz.